Hello my beautiful people. So today in this video I'm going to show you one banana face mask, one banana hair mask and one banana teeth mask. Interested? Yeah, I am at a metro station because forgot to shoot an intro. So yeah, I am at a metro station shooting this intro, but yeah, this video is about the whole banana thingy, and if you would like to watch this then keep on watching. So I'm back home shooting the outro of this video. If you like this video then do subscribe to my channel right here, and if you'd like to see more of my content then please watch the two videos below and you'll get most of the suggestions, and I'll see you back again. Bye bye.